Members of the Presidency, authorities, distinguished guests, I'm very grateful to the BBVA Foundation for this very prestigious and increasingly famous international award given for the advancement of knowledge, and to the jury of my professional colleagues whom I admire and respect, who selected me to receive this award. I'm very grateful for the recognition it gives to the subjects on which I have spent my career, spanning over 60 years of published work. Ecology is a synthetic field in an era in which synthesis is moving to the front. In order to succeed as a scientific discipline, it has to draw inspiration and knowledge from all across the rest of biology. Hence, from molecular genetics to systematics, to behavioral biology, to evolutionary theory, that you should be doing so today is consistent with the overall trend of biology in the 21st century, which has thankfully been recognized by the BBVA committees in making this award. From a primary emphasis on reduction and characterization of entities and processes, which dominated the golden era of molecular biology, in particularly the second half of the 20th century, to a balance of reduction and synthesis, from discovering the points, so to speak, to connecting the points. Conservation science is also acquiring a new breadth and balance. We are coming to understand that in order to save the living world, it will be necessary to discover and analyze individually the species composing it, every species, and most of which remain unknown to science, possibly as few as or as many, I should say, unknown as 90%. We hope to persuade other scientists and the public that if we can save the living world, we will also automatically save the non-living physical world. But if we save only the physical world, then we will ultimately lose them both. For the time that I personally have left on this biosphere, I pledge to continue to develop and promote these two themes of ecology and conservation, and thus again, I thank you for the Frontiers of Knowledge Award, which helps me in that effort.